I made this free Komplete 26 Maschine template for Hypnotic Techno. Download link in the description. And in this Maschine tutorial, I'll show you exactly how I built this massive techno kick using 3 samples. Over the next few videos, I'm breaking down every element of this template, starting with the kick. Native Instruments sponsored this one. I spent a week with Komplete 26 before making this video, and this thing is packed for techno production. Affiliate links below if you want to try Komplete 26 for your own productions. You'll also find links to 2 free plugins that I use in every single production: Voxengo SPAN to tune samples and BX Meter to control RMS levels before and after processing. The kick is the foundation of every techno track. Get this wrong and nothing else saves it. I'll show you exactly how I built this one in about 3 minutes. I'm using sounds from the Great Cuts expansion, but you can absolutely do this with your own samples. For this kick, I'm layering 1 main kick, 1 top kick, and 1 hi-hat sample. The goal is to spread the energy across the spectrum while keeping everything tuned to the key of the track, A minor. The envelopes and high-pass filters are already set in the template, but adjust them to whatever feels best for your track. Using SPAN, I tuned the main kick to A at 55 Hz, the top kick to J just below 200 Hz with a high-pass filter around 200 Hz so it doesn't compete with the main kick. And I'm also using Machine's filter instead of the sampler filter because the slope reacts differently, and you can clearly see the difference on SPAN. And the hi-hat to E at 5.3 kHz. There's also a limiter on the master output with the threshold set to -6 dB. The goal here isn't final loudness yet, is just to get enough headroom for the later stages of the track. Once you've got your 3 samples loaded, route their outputs to this bus right here, kick compression, and make sure this channel is routed to the low-end group. Then I'm applying around 6 to 8 dB of compression with the Solid Bus Compressor using these settings here. And to keep the levels consistent before and after compression, I'm using Plugin Alliance BX Meter. Here's the kick before and after compression. And now a bit of distortion to give it more presence, loudness, and reduce peak levels. Now let me show you why this kick alone is only half the story. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how I built and processed this entire low-end section together, so make sure to subscribe if you want the full workflow. See you in the next one.